Hi friends, I am Ramna Velmula. Today my topic is one of the historic temples in a village and its importance.
Hearing this ancient music from these musicians using ancient musical instruments.
For a long while,
Some of you may be wondering why these musicians are playing music here. These musicians have been playing this music for generations for this village with these instruments.
now we are going to watch a temple. The temple is of great importance. It has been admired by the villagers since at least many of centuries ago for this village. That is Nukalamma Talli Gudi.
So many temples are there in this village, but this is very sentimental to villagers. Since many years ago, recently in this village, many temples are constructed within 40 years. But before this new temple's construction in village, this Nukalamma temple is self-contained as the shape of stone in agriculture form. Greatness of the temple is that everyone born in this village, even if it is a female or male, must be worship the goddess on the day when they get married. That same day when they getting married, the blessings of this goddess assuredly they will take. And there are many temples in the same village. However, on the day of marriage, especially three of deities are measured by the people. The first of those, the village goddess Asiritalli Ammavaru temple. The second is Neelamma Talli temple, and the third is this temple Nukalamma Talli temple.
As you seeing this temple with some little constructions, before there is no protection against sun and rainy for this self-contained Nukalamma Talli temple. However, a few years ago, when a donor Ayyappa Mala was initiated, the temple was first visited by 4 pillars of roof with a devotional image of the goddess Nukalamma Talli, which we are seeing as in video. After then, the next donors keep growing the temple was a donor who contributed to the development of the temple. The result is their hut, the Nukalamma Talli we see today as temple. I hope the most important temple of this village will be developed in the coming days by the devotees, because the temple is a sentimental for these villagers.
Popular and glorious temple of this place grows on a daily basis, but it is good for devotees to visit the temple regularly as like other goddess temples of this village. Temple is related to this village level.
Nowadays, due to the present situation, it is very impossible to
Build new goddesses temples in the present time due to the financial hardships, but it is our responsibility to protect our ancestors from such monsters.
సాంప్రదాయం ప్రకారం ఈ అమ్మ తల్లికి చల్లదనం కోసం గ్రామస్తులంతా కలిపి పసుపు కుంకుమ ముర్రాటలతో సహా ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ ఈ గుడి ప్రాంగణంలో ఆరాధించటం జరుగుతుంది. దీనికి ఈ గ్రామస్తులు అందరూ కూడా వచ్చి తల్లి ఆశీర్వాదములు తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ గ్రామానికి చెందిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ కూడా ఈరోజు ఈ తల్లి దీవెనలు అందుకొనుటకు ఇక్కడకు వస్తున్నారు. అదేవిధంగా ఈ గ్రామానికి చెందిన వాళ్ళు పై గ్రామాల్లో నివసిస్తున్నారు వృత్తిరీత్యా. వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి గ్రామ సాంప్రదాయం ప్రకారం ఈ తల్లి ఆశీర్వాదాలు ఈరోజు తీసుకుంటున్నారు. ఇదే విధంగా ప్రతి సంవత్సరం కూడా ఈ ఏదో ఒక రోజు నిర్ణయించి ఇలా గ్రామంలో జరుగుతూ ఉంటే చాలా బాగుంటుంది. These types of the oldest traditions and very prestigious to follow the ancient religious traditions, hence belief from generations to generation. This is the very good procedure to respect our ancestors.
When the time to the presence of wet agriculture as paddy in the field, we say it is very difficult to go to the temple for devotees during the period of rainy season.
So it is my humble opinion that this temple will still be developed if we take a short way to go to this temple for devotees by donors. If road may construct to this temple, the pilgrimage of temple will be no problem and no risk with any seasons. And the temple grows daily and we proud as good.
ఇటువంటి సెంటిమెంటల్ మరియు పురాతకాలపు వంటి ఈ గుడి గ్రామస్తులకు తరతరాల నుండి ఈ అమ్మవారు ఆశీర్వాదములు లభిస్తున్నాయి అనడంలో అతిశయోక్తి లేదు. అయితే ఈ గుడి పొలంలో ఉన్న కారణంగా వరి చేను సాగు సమయంలో మరియు వర్షాకాలంలో ఈ గుడికి వెళ్ళాలంటే బురద కారణంగా వెళ్ళడం చాలా కష్టమవుతుంది. కావున ఈ గుడికి వెళ్ళడానికి చిన్న మార్గం ఏర్పాటు చేసినట్లయితే ఈ గుడి ఇంకా చాలా అభివృద్ధి పొందుతుందని నా అభిప్రాయం.
I thought this video will convey to you as well as good. Next time I will be come to you with this type of historical related topics. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.